So friends, I am going to tell you in this video how you can increase the volume of your Oppo phone. You can see this setting here. Similarly, I will tell you some more settings. After doing which, if the speaker of your Oppo phone is fat or the sound is coming very slow, everything will be fine. Then turn on the video. Then after turning on the video, now you have to come to the settings of the Oppo phone. Now you have to click on sound and vibration here. Here you have to make the medium full. Even with this, the sound becomes low sometimes. Now you have to come down. You have to click on real sound technology by turning it on. You have been given 4 options. You can do it on smart or listening to music, on music, playing a game, on a game, or watching a movie, on movie, and you can leave it in normal mode by turning it on smart. Now you have to come back. Now you have to search in settings, mono audio. Now you have to click on this. Here mono audio will be off. You have to turn this on as well. This also makes the sound very loud. Now you have to search for the most important setting, developer options. Now you have to click on this. If you don't know how to enable developer options, then go to About Device. And after going to Version, click on Build number 7 times. Developer options will be on. It will be done. Now you have to come down. You have to come further down. Now it will be shown to you. Enable absolute volume. This setting is very important. If it is off, then you have to turn it on. As soon as you enable this, the sound of your Oppo mobile will become 10 times faster. So these are all the settings you have to do. So I will take a video on how to charge Oppo fast, how to fix the hang problem, and how to increase the battery backup of Oppo. So you must subscribe to our channel and like, share and subscribe to the video, and do write in the comments which Oppo phone do you use. Let's see you in the next video.